Come test drive the 2021 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, headlights auto off. Your new ride is just a phone call away.